Nature's puzzle for exceptional wellness. Once upon a time in a small village, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a community that cherished the wonders of nature. The villagers believed that nature had bestowed upon them all the pieces needed for exceptional wellness and health. In the heart of the village stood a wise elder named Grandma Willow. She was known for her deep connection with nature and her understanding of the natural gifts that surrounded them. One day, she gathered the villagers under the shade of a mighty oak tree and shared her wisdom. Nature has given us all the pieces required to achieve exceptional wellness and health, Grandma Willow began. Look around you, feel the earth beneath your feet, and breathe in the crisp air. These are the first pieces of the puzzle. She guided the villagers through the forest, pointing out the vibrant fruits and vegetables, the healing herbs, and the pure streams that flowed with crystal clear water. Nature provides us with nourishment and remedies, Grandma Willow explained. These are the essential pieces for our well-being. As the villagers listened, they realized that nature had indeed offered them a treasure trove of elements for a healthy life. The puzzle included fresh air, clean water, nutritious food, and the healing touch of the natural world. Grandma Willow emphasized that it was up to each villager to put these pieces together. She encouraged them to cultivate their own gardens, drink from the pure springs, and embrace the healing power of the forest. Wellness is not a gift, it is a collaboration between us and nature, she declared. Inspired by Grandma Willow's wisdom, the villagers began to incorporate nature's pieces into their daily lives. They planted gardens, went for walks in the woods, and embraced the simplicity of a life harmonized with the natural world. Over time, the village thrived with exceptional wellness. The air was filled with laughter. The streams echoed the joy of healthy living, and the people radiated vitality. The villagers learned that by putting together the pieces nature provided, they could create a mosaic of well-being that would endure through generations. Nature has provided us with all the components needed to attain outstanding well-being and health. But the responsibility lies with us to assemble these components into a cohesive whole.